Welcome back to another video. Today we have the DeWalt video or the DeWalt tools. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, so we're doing tool only or DeWalt tool only videos. That's just for this video, but I will be making more videos for different brands. So be sure to let me know if you guys like this type of video, or you guys would see one whole video of all the brands. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First of all, we got the mower here. This is the DeWalt push mower. Be very careful what you're buying, because the wordage on this box might be saying that you might be thinking it's the self-propelled, but it's not. But just make sure you read it thoroughly there. So $199 for the trimmer. Looks like that's the kit there, 14 inches. And then that's the 60 volts, $199. That's the kit. Well, I believe it does come with the battery and the charger. So 16 inches. So you guys see there. And then you got the blower there for $169. So this blower and basically all blowers from DeWalt are really good. It just depends on you're on the 60 volt line or not. If you're just on the 20 volt line, then obviously you can put some 60 volt batteries in there, but you know, just depends on your preference. $14.99 for the string trimmer, or the string replacement there. So $149 for this power washer or power cleaner, whatever you want to call it. I know Jeff Ostroff, if you guys watch his channel, he said that his broke, so it doesn't want to work anymore. I don't know if these are just defected or not. Here's the pole saw here. It's a really nice pole saw. And then you got the edger. I didn't see any prices on these, so I just gathered what I had. You got impact driver, drill driver for $199. Circular saw, $129. Looks like a reciprocating saw, $129. And then here, to buy more, save more. So you buy 3 tools, you get $120 off. You buy 2 tools, you get $70. You buy 1 tool, you get $20 off. I would definitely recommend you guys buy the 3 tools. You guys are getting more out of your money there, or yeah, basically more off. Got a battery there for $119. And then you got the tower light for $199. Yeah, it's very similar to the Milwaukee. Got a sander there for $129. You got, looks like an angle grinder there for $129. And that's the tower light that I was telling you guys. And that's all is a clearance here. This is the hammer drill kit for $199. It might be lower. You might want to check on it. There's the item number there, so you might want to check on it on your Home Depot. Maybe you can get a lot better deal than this. And yeah, that's it just for today, guys. Just a short video. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.